Welcome to Feel the Life-Changing, where we explore the most intriguing and impactful aspects of technology. Today, we delve into the realm of artificial intelligence, a field that's not just transforming our world, but potentially redefining what it means to be human.
Imagine a future where AI isn't just a tool or a companion, but surpasses human intelligence in every conceivable way. Picture a world where machines think, learn, and create at levels beyond our most brilliant minds. This isn't science fiction. It's a plausible future that many experts believe could unfold in our lifetime. The concept of superintelligence refers to an AI that significantly outperforms the smartest humans in every domain, including creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. The development of such a system could lead to an intelligence explosion, a rapid, self-driven increase in intelligence that could leave human intellect far behind. But what does this mean for us? How will we coexist with beings that are potentially thousands of times more intelligent than us? These aren't just technical questions. They touch the very core of our ethical and philosophical frameworks. Let's start by understanding the current state of AI. Today, we have what's called narrow AI. These systems excel in specific tasks, like playing chess or translating languages, but they lack the general understanding and adaptability of human intelligence. However, the leap to superintelligence could happen quicker than we anticipate. AI is advancing at an unprecedented pace, driven by increases in computational power and breakthroughs in machine learning algorithms. This evolution of AI isn't just about more powerful computers or sophisticated software. It's about creating an entity that could potentially understand the universe in ways we can't even conceive. Imagine a machine that can accelerate scientific research, solve complex global challenges, and unlock mysteries of physics, biology, and the cosmos. The implications of such a development are profound. On the one hand, we have the potential to eradicate diseases, end poverty, and even extend human life. On the other, there are risks that are hard to predict, ethical dilemmas, issues of control and safety, and the existential question of what happens when we're no longer the smartest entities on the planet. But how close are we to this reality? Experts in the field of AI have differing opinions. Some believe we're decades away, while others think the leap could happen within our lifetimes. What's clear is that the journey to superintelligence is fraught with both promise and peril. As we venture further into this unknown territory, we must ask ourselves, what kind of future do we want to create? It's essential to approach these advancements not just with awe and anticipation, but with caution and responsibility. Interestingly, the development of superintelligence raises questions about our own nature. We often think of intelligence as a linear scale, with humans at the top. But superintelligence could challenge this notion, introducing entities with different kinds of intelligence, perhaps ones that are more holistic, integrated, or even entirely alien to our way of thinking. So, what role will humans play in a world shared with superintelligent beings? Will we merge with these machines, enhancing our own cognitive abilities, or will we become obsolete? These are questions that we need to start considering now, as the decisions we make today will shape our future. As we explore these possibilities, remember that our channel, Feel the Life-Changing, is dedicated to bringing you thought-provoking content. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Your support helps us continue to delve into topics that matter and bring you insightful and engaging content. Now let's turn to the ethical and societal implications. The rise of superintelligence demands that we re-examine our values and ethics. How do we ensure that these advanced AI systems align with human values? What safeguards can we put in place to prevent misuse or unintended consequences? One of the critical challenges is ensuring that superintelligent AI systems act in the best interests of humanity. This requires not just technological solutions, but a deep understanding of human ethics and values. We must develop AI that can understand and respect these values, making decisions that are beneficial not just for a select few, but for all of humanity. Consider the economic impact of superintelligence. The automation of jobs has always been a concern with the rise of AI, but superintelligence takes this to a new level. With the ability to learn, adapt, and excel in any intellectual task, a superintelligent AI could potentially perform most jobs better than any human. This scenario raises critical questions about the future of work. What jobs will remain for humans? How will we redefine work in a world where labor is no longer a necessity for economic production? The transition to an economy dominated by superintelligence could be turbulent. It might require a complete overhaul of our economic structures and social systems. Concepts like universal basic income, which seemed radical just a few years ago, could become necessary in a world where human labor is less valued. Now let's delve into how superintelligence could revolutionize healthcare and medicine. Imagine an AI that can process vast amounts of medical data, from genetic information to lifestyle factors, and use this to tailor personalized treatment plans. Diseases that are currently incurable could become manageable or even entirely preventable. Superintelligence could also accelerate the development of new drugs and medical technologies, potentially extending human life expectancy and improving our quality of life. However, the power of superintelligence in medicine also raises ethical questions. Who has access to these advanced treatments? How do we prevent a divide between those who can afford AI-enhanced healthcare and those who can't? These are issues we need to address to ensure that the benefits of AI in healthcare are available to all. In education, superintelligence could transform how we learn and teach. An AI with the ability to understand and adapt to each student's learning style could provide personalized education at scale. This could democratize learning, making high-quality education accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or background. But again, ensuring equitable access to these resources will be a crucial challenge. The impact of superintelligence on our daily lives could be profound. Smart homes managed by AI could optimize energy use, provide security, and even assist in daily tasks. Personal AI assistants could manage our schedules, help us make informed decisions, and provide companionship. The line between technology and humanity might blur as AI becomes an integral part of our lives. However, as we integrate AI more deeply into our lives, we must be vigilant about privacy and data security. How do we protect our personal information in a world where AI systems are capable of processing and analyzing vast amounts of data? Robust cybersecurity measures and ethical data practices must accompany the development of superintelligence. Another fascinating aspect is how superintelligence might tackle global challenges like climate change. With the ability to analyze complex systems and predict future scenarios, AI could offer solutions to reduce carbon emissions, manage resources more efficiently, and develop sustainable technologies. The potential for AI to help us create a more sustainable and environmentally friendly world is enormous. Yet, the environmental impact of AI itself is also a concern. The energy required to power advanced AI systems is significant. As we develop more powerful AI, we must also consider the environmental footprint and work towards sustainable AI development. Looking to the more distant future, we might even see AI reshaping our understanding of the universe. Superintelligence could unlock secrets of physics that have eluded us, help us understand the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, and perhaps even find answers to the fundamental questions of existence. In our quest to understand and harness superintelligence, we must also consider the potential for AI to evolve beyond our control. The concept of the singularity, a point where AI surpasses human intelligence and becomes self-improving at an exponential rate, is both exciting and terrifying. Ensuring that we have the right controls and ethical frameworks in place is crucial to prevent scenarios where AI's goals diverge from our own. In conclusion, the journey towards superintelligence is one of the most exciting and daunting challenges of our time. It holds the promise of a future where many of our current limitations are overcome, but it also poses significant risks that we must manage carefully. As we wrap up, we invite you to reflect on these topics and join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the future of AI and superintelligence? How do you envision its impact on our world?
Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of artificial intelligence. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content from Feel the Life-Changing. Stay curious and engaged as we continue to explore the fantastic intersections of technology and everyday life.